Have you ever wished you could make money online, but without complicated skills, expensive software, or years of experience? What if I told you there is a simple system that gives you 300 proven side hustle ideas, powered by AI, and even lets you resell the product as your own? Today, I am reviewing a brand new digital product called 300 Side Hustles with Nano Banana, Unrestricted PLR, and honestly, this is one of the most beginner-friendly income ideas I have seen in a long time. Let me explain why. Right now, AI is changing everything. People are using AI tools to create images, content, designs, and even full businesses. But the problem is, most beginners do not know how to turn AI into money. That is where this product comes in. Instead of guessing what to do, you get 300 step-by-step side hustle ideas that show you exactly how to use Nano Banana AI for a profit. Not just theory, but real, practical methods you can start immediately. And here is the most powerful part. This product comes with unrestricted PLR rights. That means you do not just learn from it. You can rebrand it, put your name on it, and sell it as your own product. Yes, legally. So instead of spending months creating your own ebook, this gives you a ready-made digital product you can start selling right away. Inside this package, you will find Starter's Kit, main ebook, with 300 money-making ideas, step-by-step guidance for beginners, source done-for-you content, bonus resources and tools, source full rights to resell. You do not need to be a tech expert. You do not need a website at the start. You do not need a big audience. You can promote it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, or even as a simple digital download. This is perfect for students, beginners, stay-at-home workers, affiliate marketers, anyone who wants a low-cost digital business. And the best part? It is not about working harder. It is about working smarter with AI. Nano Banana AI helps generate creative content, images, and ideas, and this guide shows you exactly how to use it to make money instead of just playing with it. Let us be real for a second. Most people fail online because they do not know what to sell. They do not know how to start. They do not have a product. This solves all three problems. You get a product, a plan, and permission to sell it, all in one. And since this is a digital product, there is no shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches, no office no boss demos. Another thing I really like is the price. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars for courses that confuse you, this is a low-cost entry into the online business world. And there is also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can check it out without risk. Now imagine this. You create a simple sales page. You upload the product. You share your link. Someone buys. You get paid, even if you sell it for a small amount. Those sales can add up. And if you do not want to resell it, you can simply use the ideas inside to start freelancing, offer AI services, create social media content, build small digital projects. So either way, you win. This is not magic. This is not get-rich-quick trick. It is a tool and a system that only works if you use it. But if you are serious about learning AI, making money online, and owning a digital product, this is one of the easiest ways to start. I have placed the link below this video. Before you buy, make sure you read the full details on the official page so you know exactly what you are getting. If you have been waiting for a sign to start your online journey, this could be it. Do not overthink it. Opportunities do not come when you are ready. They come when you decide. Check the link below now, and I will see you on the inside.